In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to replay missions in Mafia Definitive Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Replaying missions in Mafia Definitive Edition is extremely simple. This is a feature built into the game itself, so you don't have to worry. You won't have to make saves and do this through a weird manual way. You will be able to find the chapter replay option. So as soon as you go over to play, you will be able to choose between story and chapter replay. If you don't see the chapter replay option, it could be due to various reasons. Maybe because you haven't completed enough chapters or you haven't completed the game in its entirety. But all that you have to do is choose chapter replay and then choose the specific chapter that you would like to replay. You will be able to customize the mode and you will be able to download additional stuff outside of the game itself if you want to use mods, for example. But regardless, as soon as you choose chapter replay and you select a specific chapter, you will be able to go through the chapter to get any collectibles that you might have missed. It is extremely simple, and every single chapter or mission that you did in Mafia Definitive Edition is going to be available for you to select. So they make the process extremely convenient. All chapters will be available once you finish the game for the first time, and you will be able to choose between all of them. You can get the collectibles and you can repeat them over and over again. You will be able to go to the start of a chapter, so keep that in mind. You cannot go to specific points in a chapter. If there are a lot of missions that you might want to skip in a specific chapter, sadly, you won't be able to skip them directly. You will have to do all of the missions that are included in a specific chapter of Mafia Definitive Edition. For example, the race, before you have to drive Polly, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to replay missions in Mafia Definitive Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.